Alright, another Corte Inglés store. This is the edificio Princesa 47 Quarantizia. Okay, good. I'm kind of like, I'll be honest, I really don't know if I should do these videos. Like, honestly, like, part of me is like, just do them in English, because that's what I speak primarily, and that's what most of my audience speaks. But another part of me is like, you know, I don't know, I feel like maybe it might be good to translate these to Spanish, so that way the Spanish audience can better watch these. Who knows? I'll figure that out when I edit them. This one goes down a good ways. This is an Otis Gen2. Oh, I am foolish. There's another floor below us. Oh, it's a parking garage underneath here. Alright, and let's go back up to P.